Hello student, here is the question number 5 of exercise 1.3 standard 7 mathematics. Lesson number 1 integer, exercise number 1.3 question number 5. Find the product using suitable properties. Question number 1 is here 26 multiplied by minus 48 plus minus 48 multiplied by minus 36. Students, look at here. Here are the pair of numbers are in additions. These two numbers are multiplied 26 into minus 48 and minus 48 multiplied by minus 36. Now check the questions carefully. Yes, there is a minus 48 is common in both the pairs. So shall we take out as common? Yes, here is the answer number 1, A. We can take out minus 48 common from here. If you take out minus 48 from here, who will left there? Yes, only 26 will be left out. Look at the second number. If you take out 46 from here, who is the left there? Yes, minus 36 in bracket. Look at here, minus 40 is as it is and 36 minus and plus 26. Subtract it like this way. 0, 6 minus 6, 0 and 3 minus 2, 1. But who is the big number? 36. That's why the minus sign will be there. Yes, that's why here is a minus 10. Now minus 48 multiplied by minus 10 gives us 480 is the answer, because minus into minus gives us a plus. Multiply when two numbers are there, both are minus, will give us a positive numbers, or we can say even number of minus multiplied gives us a positive numbers. Good. Now look at the B. Which property use it here? Distributive property. Don't forget to write this property name. Look at here, second commutative property we are using here. Commutative means changing the number, shifting one here, 2, 3 numbers are there. First take this two one and third separate. Now these two numbers have together and this second is, third one is a separate one. Look at here, 3 numbers are there, 8 into 53 into minus 125. Out of this we can take out 53 common one side and this together, 8 into minus 125. Yes, 8 into 125. Why I taken here? Because you can find 125 multiplied by 8 give us 1000. And 1000 have 30. We can send it for a while. Now look at here, 53 into minus 1 only. So 51 into minus 1, that gives a minus 53, and we can call back 30. That's why answer is minus 53,000. Here we are using the commutative property A into B into C. Suppose we are taking AB together, and second time if we take A into B into C in bracket. Now here B and C in group. The both answer remain the same only. Is equal to, we can put it here. Understood? Good. That's why it's a commutative property. Look at the third one, C. Here also you can find a 4 numbers are there. All 4 are in multiplication. But you can make a proper group. This 25 into 4 you are knowing very well. That's 100. And 100 into 10 gives us 1000. Okay, that's why these 3 numbers are taken together. And one number is left, that we can keep it one side, multiply by 15 also. Now this is the 1000 multiplied by 15 gives us a minus 1000, 15,000. And don't forget to write here commutative property. Very good. Now D, two numbers are there, 41 into 102, but minus 41 is there. Sign is needed because two numbers are there, one is minus and one is plus, will gives us answer minus. In place of 100 and 2, can I write like this way, 100 plus 2? Yes, why not? We can write it. Distributive properties, distributions. Now, here is the two numbers and outside multiplied is a one number. So this number has to multiply with this 100 and then after multiply with 2 also. Very common. 41 multiply by 100 minus 41 multiply by 2. Is it? Yes. Let's check what is the answer. 4100 multiply by 82. That means 41 into 2, 82. Both are minus. We can add up. 4182 or 4182. Clear? Good. Now look at here. These are the four answers of 41 and multiply by 102. I think so. There is no doubt for this all questions. Understood? Yes. Okay. Now question number 6 is here. Remaining question you can try to find out yourself. It is easy one. Don't worry about this one also. Huh? Very good. Okay. Now question number 6. A certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees centigrade at the rate of 5 degrees every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? Let's see what things are given. Present room temperature is 40 degrees centigrade. Decreasing the temperature every hour is 5 degrees centigrade. So after 10 hours what will be there? 5 tens are 50. Decreasing means minus. So 50 minus. At present what is the temperature? 40 degree. 40 minus 50 degree, that gives us a minus 10 degrees centigrade. So after 10 hours the temperature of the room will be minus 10 degrees centigrade. Easy? Understood these things? Clear? Okay. Now we can go for next question. Hello student, here is the question number 7. In a class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answer and 0 questions not attempted. 1. Mohan gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect answers. What is his score? B. Resma gets second. B. Resma gets 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. What is her score? Third. Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect answers out of 7 questions she attempts. What is her score? Student. Here one test containing having 10 questions and 3 students marks are given. They attempted different questions and out of that they had a correct answers and incorrect answers. Correct answers gives us a 5 marks and incorrect answers gives a minus 2 marks. And not attempted, that means a 0. Don't include it in our integers calculation. So see the case number 1 of Mohan. What about Mohan? He gives 4 correct answer and 6 incorrect. For correct, he will get 5 marks. So 4 into 5. Yes, my dear student, that's a 20. And 6 incorrect means minus 2 for one question. So minus 6 into 2 or 6 into minus 2. 6 to the 12. But what type of 12? Minus 12. What we have to do now? Add or subtract. Minus and plus, that means subtraction. 20 minus 12, you will get one answer. Yes, let's see the answer. Here is answer. What the things are given us? Mohan gets marks for 4 correct answer. 4 into 5. Yes, our calculation was correct. He gets marks for 6 incorrect questions. 6 into minus 2, that gives us a minus 12. And therefore, total score of Mohan is equal to 20 minus 12. Yes, 8 mark only. Now regarding case number 2. Yes, Reshma's case. Reshma's case is here. She gave 5 correct answer. So 5 5s are 25. Correct. And she gave 5 incorrect answer. So 5 2s are 10. But which type of 10? Minus 10. Combine both mark. 25 minus 10, which gives, yes, calculate yourself in your rough note. Yes, you are the fastest one. 15 and correct. Fastest and correct. Now regarding last Hina, third case. Hina gets marks of 2 correct answer. Yes, student. 2 5s are 10. And 5 incorrect answer. That means 5 2s are 10, but minus 10. Combine. 10 minus 10. 0 mark. So therefore here she gets 0 marks. Here not Reshma but Hina. Understood? Yes. In class test, anyone has doubt regarding this question? Easy? Yes. Shall we move for the next question? Here is the question number 8. Very good question. This is regarding with SSC. Do you know what is SSC? Yes, standard 10. Standard 10 having this type of question. It asks you in 7th standard. Yes. A cement company earns a profit of ₹8 per bag of white cement. Yes, there are 2 types of cement. One is a white and one is a grey. White cement bag, if we are selling, it gets ₹8 profit. Yes. But when it is selling a grey cement, it is having a loss of ₹5 per bag. Yes. Then find first A. The company sells 3,000 bags of a white cement and 5,000 bags of grey cement in a month. What is its profit or loss? B. what is the number of white cement bags it must sell to have neither profit nor loss if the number of grey bags sold is 6,400 bags. Student, in this question they ask us A and B. Two questions they ask us. So one by one we can find out the answer. Both answer we cannot solve at a time. So first we can attempt A. Here is the answer A. Given, what things are given? Profit of one bag of white cement is 8 rupees already given. Loss of grey cement bag is rupees 5. And A. 3,000 white cement sold in a month. So what number we have to multiply? What rupees we have to multiply with 3,000? Yes, correct. 3,000 into 8. We are knowing very well. 3,000 multiplied by 8 is very simple. Forget about these zeros. Pani puri. Cut it. Send it outside. Now you have only two numbers. 3 multiplied by 8. 8 3s are or 3 8s are 16, 32. Sorry. Yes, you correct. 32 is right. Yes, 32 is right. Sorry. Yes, you are right. 24. 3 8s are 24. How many zeros you send it out? Yes, 3. Add 3 is 30 be after this 24. The answer is 24,000 rupees profit. Let's check the answer. Yes, 24,000 profit. Now what about the loss? Yes, loss is 5 rupees of grey cement bag. How many cement bags is sold company? Yes, 5,000 bags of cement, grey cement bags sold in a month. And one bag 5 rupees loss. So 5,000 into 5 gives us a, yes, 5 5s are 25 and 3 more zeros are there. So 25,000. So which number is bigger? 24,000 or 25,000? Yes, 25,000, and 25,000 is a loss. So here in question A, loss occurs and loss is greater than profit. Therefore, his total loss on selling the grey cement bags is equal to loss minus profit. So 25,000 minus 24,000. Yes, 24,000 minus, no, 25,000 minus 24,000. Answer is rupees 1,000. This is the sign of rupees. You are knowing very well. Once again I remind you. This is the sign of rupees. Yes, it is here. Clear? Now we can come to our point number 2. Let the number of bags of white cement is equal to X. Because grey cement bags given 6,400 and we are knowing both profit and loss are equal. So loss of grey cement is 5 rupees. So 5 into 6,400, or you can say 5 into 6,400. What about the profit side? Simple. Profit side is this one. X into 8. Common. Simple equation. This number is written like this way and then change it the order. Or this 8 has to move on the different side. it is in multiplications. When it moves for the other side, will give us division. See, like this way. 5 into 6400 is equal to x into 8. Yes, or 8 into x. Shall I write this to this and that one? Yes, x into 8 is equal to 5 into 6400. I did nothing. I just changed the direction, left side to right side and right side to left side. Okay, we are keeping alphabet, that means a variable on one side and number on the other side. Here 8 has to move or transpose to the right side. This is my left side, this is my right side, and between there is equal to sign. X remain on the left side and 8 has to move on right side. It is in multiplied, changing the side, that means it goes to divide. Yes, divide by 8. Let's check. Any cutting is possible? 5 and 8 not possible. Yes, 64 and 8. In 8 table 64 is coming. Yes, which 8 8s are correct. So we can write here 8 1s are 8, 8 8s are 64. And how many zeros are there? 2. 2 more 0. Correct. Now what is the left on the right side? X is equal to 5 into 800. 5 into 800 will give us 8 5s are 40 and 2 more 0. 4,000. If company will sell 4,000 of white cement bags, then and then only it will make the profit and loss of selling 6,400 grey cement bags. That means must sell 4,000 white cement bags to have neither profit nor loss of selling 6,400 grey cement bags. One side white cement bags 4,000, 5,000, whatever the things, you can just 8 5s are. 8 5s are not 5,000, 4,000 students. 4,000 white cement bag, 6,400 grey cement bags. Both profit and loss become equal. Isn't it? Correct. Shall we move for the last but not least of the question 9 number? Where is the question? Replace the blank with an integer to make it a true statement. Yeah, very good, very good. See the question number 1A. 9th A. Minus 3 multiplied by dash is equal to 27. On left side you can see two numbers. One number is given, one number we have to find out, and answer is given on right side. Yes, we are knowing our table, minus into minus gives us a plus. So answer will come minus. That much you find out. So here I will put minus sign. But what number I want to multiply with 3, which gives me a 27. So in 3 table you have to count. Start. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21. Yes, correct. 3 8s are 24, also correct. 3 9s are 27. Yes, and 3 times that 30. Yes, the 3 nines are. So your 9 will come. Yes, you are correct. 3 nines are 27. But both number are minus will give us a positive answer, and we are writing in bracket. Understood? We will move for the second one, B. Yes, let's check the B. B is here. 5 into something is equal to minus 35. Pi table 35 is coming where? Yes, 7. Your answer is right, 7. But see, the answer is negative. Here left side both number are positive. Out of that one number 5 is already given. It's a positive number. And we found the answer 7. 7 means? Yes, minus 7. Now it's correct. See the third question. Oh, very good. One number is negative. Second number is missing. Answer is 56. But we are very, very sharp. You all are very sharp. What? 8 table you have to count up to 56. Yes, 8 sevens are. You are right. You are right. See left side, one number positive, one number negative. Answer is negative. So no need to change any sign. 7 is the answer. Last but not least. Oh, big number. 12 table. 12 times are 20. 120. But here right side 132 is given. 12 table is over. Students, table never will be end up to 10. It is for our convenience. We are reciting table up to 10. Okay, after 10, what will be there? 120 plus 12, add it. Yes, 132. But here answer is positive. So our left side answer is negative. Yes, minus 11 should be a negative. Then and then only the answer is 132. Or you can say minus 11 multiplied by minus 12 gives us 132. See all answer explained in detail. You revise the full exercise, and here are the answers for your convenience. Yes, minus 3 into minus 9 is the 27. B. 5 into minus 7, that gives us a minus 35. C. 7 into minus 8 gives us minus 56. And last but not least, minus 11 multiplied by minus 12 is equal to 132. Clear? All questions? No doubts? Very good. So here we conclude our exercise 1.3. Thank you once again. Take care, be safe, and bye bye. Hello student, here I come back for to give your homework answer. Standard 7 mathematics exercise 1.3, answer number 5, E, F, G, H. So here is the answer for E. Answer is so easy student. 625 multiplied by 35 plus minus 65, because here 625 is common in these both numbers. Yes. Then after inside there will be a minus is left in the here also minus, because we take out the 625 minus sign we not took out. Okay, 35 and 65 both are the negative numbers which give us minus 100. Yes, 100 into 625 gives us a 62,500. Okay, now regarding F. F is a very simple one. Here outside one number and inside two numbers, but it are in a negative. So one time multiplied with first number and second time second number. Yes, 7 into 50, 350 minus 7 into 2, that gives a 14. So 350 minus 14. Yes, so easy. That's a 336. Your answer is right. Now look at the third one. G. G is so easy. 17 and multiply by 29. 29 means, students? Yes, 30 minus 1. But here we have to take 30 big number. Big number means a 1 minus not but plus 1, minus 30 and plus 1. Yes, it gives us minus 29. Now same way, very simple, you can solve it with our distributive property. Yes, last but not least, 57 multiplied by minus 90 plus 57. Yes, 57 into 1, actually it is there. So both numbers having the 57 common. Here also 57 common, here is also 57 common. So 19 plus 1. Is it or not, students? Yes. Minus into minus plus 19. So 19 plus 1 gives the 20. It gives us a 1140. Here is your answers of question number 5. Okay. Distributive properties we used. Thank you.